Welcome to the channel. My name is Dina. It's a beautiful morning here in Adelaide. Here and there I see bursts of color welcoming spring. I have heard of Open Gardens SA from one of my friends. She told me of private gardens opening to the public for a small fee. And because I'm keen on plants, flowers, and gardens, I went ahead to check out the Open Gardens SA website. It says that a garden in Stirling will be open to the public one weekend, so I decided to come and have a look. The garden is about 5 minutes from the town center. It was forecasted to rain in the afternoon, but we still have this bright, beautiful morning to explore the garden, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. These are the three main areas of the garden that I want to check out: the balcony, the pond, and the bench.
Did we take it too far to say that we cannot pretend now? Was it never enough to have just everything you want? In your shadow I found a place to hide me from my own thoughts. And if I ever go lost, you'll find a way to bring me home. And
If you also love plants, flowers, and gardens, or you're looking for inspiration to freshen up the look of your garden, then I suggest you visit the Open Gardens SA website for details of dates and gardens to visit. We are back in the town center where the Sunday market is in full swing, and right here is where this delicious cup of warm spiced apple cider came from. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Cheers!